Yeah, all right, guys. Your affiliate link is too long. It is ugly, and you are leaving money on the table. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you this step by step how to shorten your affiliate link. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to bit.ly.com. Bit.ly got this platform here give you the opportunity to shorten your affiliate link. You want to scroll down here, get your affiliate link and paste it here inside. Let's get our affiliate link here from church. So here is my affiliate link right there. So let's shorten it. It is too long and ugly. Google do not like such a link. Let's shorten this link here. So you want to press shorten and boom. Now you get it. This is the link right here. So now you can paste this, you can use this link here without any issue at all. And if you even go to the, let's say you log into this platform right here, you'll be able to save your links. Let's log in and see. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. You can track your links and you can save it. All my links that I've stored here that I've so here are all my links, all my affiliate links that are so you can track all this link here. You can track how many click you get per month, how many click you get a day. So that's how you shorten your link with the link. So let me show you another cool plugin that you can short your affiliate link. So let me go to this website here now, one of my website here. So if you want to do branding for your affiliate link, you want to install this plugin here. It is called Pretty Link. So let's go to plugins. So you want to add new plugin. Search for Pretty Link. So here is the link. Here is the so I've already downloaded the new app and do some and shorten some affiliate link here. Let's go and shorten our link here. Let's go to add new. So here you want to paste your affiliate link here. Then you go here, copy that, and that is it. So let's say I want to put it there. So this is your link now. So let's go and use this link now for our product stuff. So this link now it's now become this one now. So it's turned to your website name as in branding your website. And that is your link. That is your affiliate link. It is short and is in the name of your brand. As easy as that. So now if you click this link here, to take you to the merchant site. So guys, that's how you shorten your affiliate link. You can use Pretty Link or Bitly. With that, Google and the rest search engine will Always love your link. And you won't be leaving money on the table. Your link will work in any platform, whether it be it YouTube or your website. So let me see your comment down below. Leave your comment down below. Let me know. Let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.